Okay, so in part A, you can see here we've got another product. Okay, so the first function is x to the power 6, so that will be my u. Second function is ln x, and we times together. So u is x to the 6, my v is ln x. Differentiated, so dy dx, du dx, sorry, we differentiate here. Bring the power down, 6x, reduce it by 1 to the power 5. So again, when you differentiate it, here then dv dx, well ln x becomes 1 over x, yeah, when you differentiate it. Using then the product rule, okay, we have dy dx is v du dx plus u dv dx. So it's ln x times 6x to the power 5. So put a dot there for times, right, so it's clear for you. Plus then u dv dx, so x to the 6 times dv dx, which is 1 over x. And what you can see here is then there'll be a cancellation. That x will cancel with that power to make it power 5. So you get 6x to the power 5 ln x plus x to the power 5. Okay, and what you can do here then is, because x to the power 5 is a common factor, you could factorize that, so you get 6 ln x inside plus 1. Okay, right, with b, we've got y equals to x squared sine 4x. Okay, so we've got here the product of x squared, which we call u, and sine of 4x, which we call v. So u is x squared, v is sine 4x. Differentiate u, you get du dx is 2x. dv dx, then differentiate sine 4x. Well, sine becomes cos, doesn't it? So become cos of 4x times then the derivative of this here, okay, because it's a function of a function. So you get that cos 4x times 4, which is 4 cos 4x. Okay, so then the product rule, okay, which is again v du dx plus u dv dx. So it's sine 4x times du dx, which is 2x, so put a dot there to be clear, plus then u, which is x squared times 4 cos 4x. Okay, should be times there, I don't know why I put a plus. Okay, so we get then 2x sine 4x plus 4x squared cos 4x, and we could in this case factorize out 2x, couldn't we? 2x is a common factor, so times it by sine 4x, plus then to get 4x squared from 2x, you've got to times it by 2x. Okay, so that's it fully factorized.